Hi, today's topic importance of good communication skills. Communication skills play very crucial role in everyone's life. Without it would be incomplete. Firstly, I think when we are learning the language, we face so many difficulties, stress, and inconveniences. Then gradually we develop that process. We are increasing that skill day by day. As a result, we become a good speaker. Then our life change gradually. We are going up in our progress when we are sharing our thoughts and ideas. At the same time, we understand what the others say. In this way, our progress, our development gradually starting in a right way. Right path. So we can say that is a very, very crucial when we are in achieving that skill. In conclusion, good communication skills are essential because they build strong relationships, create better understanding, and open doors to our personal and professional life success. Thank you.